Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little weird, but I decided to do it anyway. So we're going to be trying stuff from nature. Interesting, right? We're just going to be trying about 3 things today. Okay, I guess we'll start. So the first thing I'll be trying, some dead grass. The texture is hay, it doesn't taste like anything. Okay, the next thing is a piece of this beautiful leaf. That's probably dead. Anyway. It's very much like the texture of a chip, but thinner, and it doesn't taste like anything. Okay, last but not least is this beautiful yellow flower. Okay. Smells good. Ew. Actually, it doesn't taste that bad. It just tastes like grass. Okay. Okay guys, the next thing we'll be trying, and is the last one, is a live grass. I already tasted dead grass, which tasted like nothing, but I'm gonna taste a live grass now. Tastes exactly like the yellow flower, so it's alright. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. So don't forget to like if you liked it, and subscribe if you loved it and you want more of these videos. Bye guys!